This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Remove the front right-hand wheel trim and slacken the wheel bolts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it securely on axle stands. The right-hand front wheel can now be removed. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch under the bonnet. Open the bonnet and secure it with the bonnet prop. To gain access to the auxiliary belt, remove the two lower screws from the access panel, followed by the upper screw. Now remove the rivet from the wheel arch liner cover, which will release the access panel. Then release the air cleaner drain tube from the access panel. Using a Torx key or spanner on the pulley centre bolt, turn the tensioner clockwise against the spring tension. Hold the tensioner in this position by inserting a suitable locking bolt through the special hole provided. Now remove the drive belt by slipping it from its pulleys. Before fitting the new belt, check the condition of each pulley. Position the new drive belt on the pulleys, making sure that it is fitted the correct way around. Turn back the tensioner and remove the locking bolt, then release it, making sure that the drive belt ribs locate correctly on each of the pulley grooves. Reposition the access panel, then clip the air cleaner drain hose to the panel. Refit the access panel by securing the two lower screws followed by the upper screw. Then refit the rivet that secures the access panel to the wheel arch liner. Refit the wheels and lightly tighten the nuts. Jack up the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts. Refit the wheel trim. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels.